Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iOS 17.2 battery drain problem on iPhone. If your iPhone battery drains fast in iOS 17.2, you are not alone. Many iPhone users have reported their battery is giving up the ghost before the day even ends. But fear not, in this video I will show you how to fix it. Our step number one is turn off location services. Many apps like food delivery ones, cab services, maps, etc. need location services to function successfully. Other apps like weather and system services also frequently access locations in the background. In most normal situations, that's okay. But if the iPhone's battery is too low, turning the location off will help it last longer. So you have to open your settings, scroll down until you see privacy and security, tap on it, now tap on location services, and you have to make sure that the location services are disabled. After this, our step number 2 is remove unnecessary widgets from the home screen. If you unnecessarily fill your iPhone home screen with widgets, it can have a toll on the battery life. Consider removing them. To remove them, simply you have to tap and hold on the widgets. And from here you can see option remove widget. Simply tap on it and remove it. Then our step number 3 is disable background app refresh. This feature frequently refreshes app data in the background. Despite the great iOS optimization, background app refresh exerts a heavy load on the battery. Thus, it is the best to turn it off. To turn it off, you have to simply open your settings, then tap on General. Now tap on Background App Refresh. Again tap on it, and you can see your option off. Simply disable it. After this, then our step number 4 is turn on auto brightness. By default, auto brightness is on, but if you ever change this, make sure to turn it on. To turn it on, you have to simply go back and tap on accessibility. Now tap on display and text size. Scroll down until you see auto brightness. You can see your option if it's already enabled. If you have disabled it, then you have to enable it again. So guys, after this, our step number 5 is quite unnecessary apps. Several people have a bad habit of quitting every app frequently. Unnecessarily force closing an app and reopening it again when performed multiple times suck up more battery than average. Thus, always quit only the app that misbehave, is unresponsible, or which you do not need for a long time. So consider closing them. So guys, after this, then our step number 6 is restart your iPhone regularly. One easy way to make sure that things work correctly on your iPhone is to restart it regularly. Now you may ask how regularly? Well, there is no fixed answer, but I like to restart my iPhone once every 2 to 3 days. This keeps everything smooth. Moreover, restarting it after updating to the latest iOS is also a commendable action. So you have to simply open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Then guys, our last step is to turn on low power mode. When the charge drops to 20%, you see a pop-up asking you to enable low power mode. To enable it, you have to simply open your battery, then tap, you can see our option low power mode. Simply consider enabling it. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iOS 17.2 battery drain problem on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.